In this video I'll be continuing with the HTML5 tutorials. So in this video I'll be adding another page to our website. So far our website has had a few pages. So we have, first we had the About Us page that we did in one of the previous tutorials, and then now we have, or in the last video we did the reviews page. So now I'll be doing the catering page. So it's just another page, another service that the restaurant offers, that are like pretend website. It's just like it's a restaurant website, so we're just having like a pretend page that they offer catering. So this is what we would do. So I have some text to be copied. You can just copy in this stuff. I'll try to add this to the GitHub and upload the files. You're gonna need some CSS styling. It's not actually, you don't need them, but you can add them if you'd like. And some pictures that you could add yourself, or I'll try to upload them as well to the GitHub. So I'll probably just have an ongoing GitHub that will just upload all the files to. Every time I'll just link it in the description. So I'll have to do that soon. So here we'll have, so it should be ready for when the video is uploaded. I'll have to set that up. I haven't used it since Android. So here we'll say exclamation and then doc type, and we'll say space HTML. Here we'll have HTML tag as well. Something's wrong with that, isn't it? Why is that? Maybe not. Okay, so let's just close this tag here. Will that error go away? Is that a warning? What does that say? I think it's a warning. Okay, so that should be fine. Okay, so then now we'll say so below that we'll have a head tag. We'll close it as well. Here we'll just have a comment. Within the head block here, we'll say that we want to add our metadata, so we'll have meta care set points to UTF -8. I'll say the title of the page is catering. Let's say that we have curbside type catering. Here we'll have, we'll close our title. I'll say link href, so link href, and then points to the string ct_base.css. That's a file that you'll need. I'll try to upload that to the GitHub, and here we'll say space Uriel. points to style sheet. So you don't actually need this part, I think. It'll probably just look like a ghetto website, but it'll still work. It should still work. A style sheet that doesn't need a angular bracket. We'll slash close the tag there. Excuse me. So here we'll say, actually that's it. We'll bring that head tag back up. So here we'll say body, indent. Actually no, we'll close our body first. Back up here, we'll indent. Open up a block here, header, class points to logo. Here we'll say image. src points to CT underscore you're missing a string. CT underscore logo dot PNG. That's a photo file. So you could just use any old photo, I believe, but this one's sized properly. It'll fit. Something's wrong with that, isn't it? Oh, this should have a 2 on it. I think it was telling me that it couldn't find the file, so here we have then points to string curbside tie. Here we'll say slash close. Okay, something's wrong with that. The header tag isn't closed. I think that's it. Maybe not. Well, let's just try that first. That was it. Okay, so there's no more errors. You can see the errors at the top right corner. So there's just a warning, which is yellow, and then an error would be a red stop sign. Let's have a sip of my water here. 1 sec. Someone's like, oh, why don't you drink coffee? Well, I don't drink coffee because I don't like caffeine. It makes my heart beat too fast. I like my heart going nice and slow, so I don't drink caffeine. I'll drink herbal tea, something like that. I don't like stimulants at all. Pretty much that's it. So here we'll just have header. Underneath that we'll have an article tag. And we'll put the closing tag here as well. Excuse me. So here we'll have a tab. We'll indent. Then here we'll say that we have a H1 tag for header 1. Say catering. Close the H1 tag. Okay, that should be. I think this is where you're gonna work later on in a sec here. Underneath we'll have a footer, like a page footer. So here we'll say footer like that. Footer tag, we'll close it. Here we'll say curbside. I actually like things the opposite of stimulants. I like things that slow down your heart, like vasodilators and stuff like that. I prefer those rather than stimulants like coffee and all that, teas. Because caffeinated drinks are actually, they're vasoconstrictors, so they shrink your veins, increasing your blood pressure. So I like the opposite. I like the veins to be open and reduce your blood pressure. But anyways, here we'll say curbside tie space and % hashtag, and we'll have 82226. That's the tag for the bullet point, I think. Here you'll just have just a random address or something. So 8331, then here we'll say that we have, I don't know, let's just say we have, go with some address here, Moncton Street. We'll say Steveston, Richmond, BC. Space and % NBSP for non-breaking space, semicolon. Just like another address. Something like that. Through a postal code. Then here we'll add another non-breaking space. Actually, no, this is a bullet point, I think. And % hashtag 8226. Semicolon, then here we'll just have like a phone number. Alright, so that should be fine. So we close the footer, close the body, and we close the HTML. So now here we'll go back up to the article tag, I believe. So what are we going to do in the article tag? Underneath our H1 catering header, okay, so we'll copy the 4 paragraphs in from below here. You can just type them out if you don't have them, or just type some text, whatever. I'm not going to copy the comment. Copy the text here. I'm going to put that in here, I believe. Let me just have a look at my notes. Okay, so I think, so what we'll do here is that we will, underneath our H1 header, we'll say that we first want to add an image. So then we'll say here img space src. I think it points to the path, which is ct underscore photo. Let's just go with this photo because the other photo that I was supposed to have here, I didn't add it to the folder. There should be a photo too here. You could just use any photo. This one's sized properly. And here we'll say space alt points to an empty string space slash, close the angular bracket. And that will paste all that stuff in, and then we'll just add the p tags to it. So underneath that, paste that in here. We'll take catering out because we don't need catering. We already have catering there. I believe there's no extra p tags like last time, so let's just go with just a p tag here, closing p tag here. And the same thing, we'll start at the lat of p block here as well. We'll add another p block, which should just be the last one here. Let's add that final p tag here, and that should just conclude the tutorial. So let me just /p there, close that. We should have, or is there one more that we should have had here? Did I put that in the wrong spot? No, there should be one more here. So we'll just add one more p tag right here. Close the p tag like that. That should be it. And we have the article tag just beneath, just below. So we'll have, we'll just save that. I'm going to Control S on a Mac, it might be different. Is it like Option or Command or something? So let me just run that. It's the wrong picture, but let's just see if it works. You can't see this, but if you do run it, yeah, so we have some catering page that actually came up. Doesn't look too bad, actually. So all we're doing is just formatting a page, which we're putting on the web. It's the concept is easy to understand once you get it. We're just formatting the text. We're formatting the text in a special way to be viewed on a website where you don't need all this stuff. But if you want to make the website look professional, you need to add these extra blocks and all that, tags and stuff. Where the CSS gave us some color and border styles and stuff like that, which we'll get into creating ourselves later on, pretty soon. So that's pretty much it. So that's another page to our website, which at the end of this we'll be linking everything together. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys liked the video, you can like and subscribe to support the channel for more programming and investing tutorials. In the next video, we'll be continuing with our website, creating a contact us page. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Thanks.